Okay guys, we're at the Florida Cavern State Park. That and more coming up next. Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're heading to Florida Cavern State Park near Mariana, Florida, up in the Panhandle. We're all hitched up as you can see here, and we're ready to hit the road. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. My name's Lester and welcome to our channel, Leslie Adventures. Today we're in Florida, Cavern State Park, and it is cold. Park is located in Mariana, Florida, an hour northwest of Tallahassee probably, and borderline between Alabama and Georgia, about 10-15 minutes from both states. It is mighty cold here. There's an Arctic blast going on. I think the temperature right now it's 26 degrees, but the wind chill is making it feel like 14 or 15. I gotta check again. I will go show you around the park, give you guys what the campground looks like, what's there to do, the caves, the trails, and follow along. And thank you for watching. This is our site right here. Full hookup, water, electricity, sewer. Here, just to give you an idea how cold it is. Ice. I spoke with the park ranger earlier today, and Hurricane Michael in 2018 destroyed this park, all this section of Florida. But he said that all this was full of canopies, a tree of canopies. So the park is completely redone, and that's what you see here. Let me go around the campground, show you what the campground looks like. I believe there's 30 sites here, or somewhere between that range. So I'll go over right now, give you guys a better perspective, and then I'll go up in the air with the drone too. Ball of ice, how cold it is. This here is the entrance to the campground. And you go to the right, and it's a loop. I'll go show you right now. So all the campsites to the right are going to be your even numbers, and this one's your odd numbers. So this is 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. And on this side it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. One of the best sites right here, because they get all this wilderness back here. They're all to themselves. had to come and get my glove because it's so damn hot, cold. Jesus. Have it, guys, the full campground. Now I'm gonna go up in the drone, give you a better perspective from up above. Check out the caverns and see what all the hype is about.
Bye.
Are you guys cold? Cold?
Feels like 16.
Yeah, it's very cold.
Actually, when you walk in there, it's going to be almost like a sauna. You guys see the spikes on the bottom of that palm tree right there?
Yes.
All right, so a long time ago, where you guys are currently parked at, there was actually a Native American tribe that used to live out there. Now, I can't ever pronounce the name right, so I'm not even going to attempt to, but they were a descendant of the Seminole Indians on the top of it. Up underneath us is what is called a karst landscape. It's K-A-R-S-T. Now, what all that is ultimately is there's just a few inches of soil, and then it's rock. All right, guys, we're about to embark down these 33 steps. When we get to the bottom, as you go through the door, if I could just get your ticket from you. It'll last about 45 minutes. We'll go about 3/4 of a mile. There is going to be...
Is the cave open year round?
It is, yes ma'am. We do community tours. No, that right there is our basement room. So that right there is actually the lowest point you will see on the whole tour. From this point forward, we will actually be steadily working our way upward. 2005, and I still hit my head probably a dozen times a day. Now, of course, you can't have a wedding without the good old-fashioned piped organs. And then we even have decorations. Well, that particular rimstone pool is in the shape of South America. All of these little rimstone pools. Now, you remember when we were in that last room how I brought up that when there's water in it, it almost looks like a sheet of glass? And there is hole number. When the men of the CCC were out here doing the renovation, as they would walk down this slope, they would have a tendency, especially during the wetter months.
All right, let me take a picture.
The only one that you're allowed to touch.
That's the only
Woo!
one.
It feels so good and wet. few trails right now. I got Jasmine here with me. It's still very cold. What's your take on this park, Jasmine?
It's nice.
It's still cold for you?
Yeah.
Would you swim here, Jasmine?
Right now?
No, not now, but in the summer.
Yeah.
Okay, I will too. So remember what I said about Hurricane Michael? Right here, look. Category 5. Those are the caves that we did right here. And there's the aqueducts here, which is the underground river. And that's the blue hole right here. So the water fits up and it creates the Chipola River. That's crazy. Nature is beautiful. So these are your horse sites. They're pretty nice as well. Pretty nice. And those are the horse stables, so that's where you keep your horses. They are not full hookup. There are water electric only. Alright, so the trail breaks into two here. So originally we're gonna do sinkhole, but we're gonna go left to river trail, come back to sinkhole. The adventure continues. Weather report, it was in the 20s this morning. Right now it's 40, so much better to hike around. This is the boat ramp. Right here, it goes in the Chipola River. If you have your own kayaks like those right there or canoe, you can launch them here. So look, this is a very interesting fact. In 1975, the water was at that blue line right there. Whoa, all this full of water. Can you imagine that, Jasmine? No. As usual, if you know, there could be a gator in any body of water in Florida. So there could technically be gators here, which most likely they are. We got the Golf Vet here, our transportation around the park. Brought to you by Jasmine, our driver. All right, so we have some wildlife. There are deers over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at them go, guys. It's 2 dove and 1 Bambi, I think. There they go. Oh, look, there was a store too. We're doing Bluff Trail now. This trail is so cool. You hit yourself?
Yeah, I hit my head.
She hit herself in the head. With that, she didn't duck. Wow, this trail was so good. Wow, amazing. And it continues. All right, another cool, interesting fact. Technically speaking, we are walking on top of the caverns. Isn't that cool? As you can see, all the limestone. See? So it's pretty much the roof of the caverns. So overall, this park seems very nice. It got quite of things to do. Kayaking, hiking, the caverns, the blue hole. What else, Jasmine? Trails, hiking trails, we already mentioned that. That's pretty much. We're just trying to cover it all and show you guys. But this park overall, 5 out of 5. There you have it, guys. Florida Cavern State Park. Thank you for watching.